Hello everyone. Let me start with something that might completely change the way you think about English fluency. Imagine two people speaking English. One person speaks very fast, but stops every few seconds to search for words. The second person speaks more slowly, but the sentences keep flowing. No long pauses. No panic. No freezing in the middle of thought. Who sounds more fluent to you? I think most of you answer is, in the second person. Because fluency is not speed. Fluency is flow. And today, I want to show you something important. You do not need perfect grammar to speak English fluently. You do not need a foreign accent. You do not need expensive courses. And you do not need to memorize thousands of vocabulary words before speaking. What you really need is daily speaking practice, confidence, repetition, listening, and the right system. In this video, I will show you how you can improve your English fluency in just 30 days. Step by step. Not magic. Not shortcuts. But real improvement. So relax. Listen carefully. And imagine yourself speaking English confidently after 30 days from now. Let me talk about thinking directly in English. One of the biggest mistakes many English learners make is translating every thought from their native language into English. First, they think in their own language. Then they try to change the sentence into English. But this process creates pressure in the mind. It slows down speaking. It causes hesitation and confusion. And little by little, it breaks the natural flow of communication. That is why many learners know English grammar, but still struggle to speak fluently. Real fluency begins when you start thinking directly in English instead of translating every sentence in your head. For example, instead of speaking naturally, your brain becomes busy. What is the English word? How do I say this? Is my grammar correct? Am I making mistakes? And suddenly, you freeze. But fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. Now maybe you are asking, how can I think in English if my English is still weak? Very simple. Start with small thoughts. When you wake up in the morning, say, "Good morning. I am tired. I need coffee. I need to brush my teeth. Today is going to be busy." Small sentences. Simple English. Every day. Your brain learns through repetition. Children learn language this way. Not by memorizing grammar books. So from today, stop trying to speak perfectly. Start trying to speak naturally. Now, let me talk about something extremely important for English fluency. Speaking out loud every single day. Many learners spend years studying English silently. They read books silently. They watch videos silently. They memorize grammar silently. But when it is time to speak, they become nervous. Their mind goes blank. And the words do not come out naturally. Why? Because speaking is not only knowledge. Speaking is a skill. And every skill improves through practice. Imagine someone trying to learn swimming only by reading books. No matter how many books they read, they cannot become a good swimmer without entering the water. English speaking works the same way. Your mouth must practice English. Your tongue must become comfortable with English sounds. Your brain must learn how to form sentences quickly and naturally. And this happens only when you speak out loud regularly. Do not wait for perfect grammar before speaking. Do not wait until you know thousands of vocabulary words. Speak anyway. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your day. Describe your plans. Start with simple sentences. I am happy today. I need to go to work. The weather is beautiful. I am improving my English every day. Simple speaking practice every day is more powerful than studying silently for many hours. At first, you may feel shy or uncomfortable. That is normal. But the more you speak, the more confident you become. And confidence is one of the biggest keys to fluency. So from today, do not only study English in your mind. Open your mouth. Use your voice. And speak English out loud every single day. Now, let me talk about another important part of becoming fluent in English. Stop being afraid of making mistakes. Many English learners stay silent, not because they do not know English, but because they are afraid of speaking incorrectly. They worry about grammar mistakes. They worry about pronunciation. They worry about what other people might think. So instead of practicing, they remain quiet. But here is the truth. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every fluent English speaker you admire today made countless mistakes while learning. No one becomes fluent without errors. In fact, mistakes help your brain improve. Every time you make a mistake and correct it, your English becomes stronger. Think about a child learning how to walk. The child falls many times, but the child keeps trying again and again. Speaking English works the same way. If you wait to become perfect before speaking, you may never speak confidently. Fluency grows through practice, not perfection. So do not feel embarrassed when you make mistakes. Do not stop yourself from speaking. Instead, see every mistake as progress. Because every sentence you speak, even imperfectly, brings you one step closer to fluency. The important thing is not speaking perfect English. The important thing is continuing to speak, learn, and improve every day. Another powerful factor for becoming fluent in English is training your ears. Many people try to improve speaking without improving listening first. But real speaking begins with listening. Before you can speak English naturally, your brain must first become familiar with English sounds, rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence patterns. Think about how children learn language. They listen for months before they begin speaking. Every day, their brain absorbs sounds, words, and expressions. English learners must do the same. If you listen to English regularly, your ears slowly become comfortable with the language. At first, English may sound very fast and confusing. You may feel like native speakers speak too quickly. That is completely normal. But the more you listen, the more your brain starts recognizing common words and sentence structures. Slowly, English stops sounding like random noise. And it begins sounding meaningful and familiar. This is why daily listening practice is extremely important. Listen to podcasts. Listen to interviews. Listen to simple English conversations. Listen while walking, cooking, resting, or traveling. Even if you do not understand every word, keep listening. Your ears are learning. Your brain is adapting. And over time, you will notice something amazing. You will begin understanding English more naturally. You will respond faster. And speaking will become easier, because your brain already knows how English should sound. So remember this. The more English you hear, the more naturally English will come out of your mouth. English must become familiar to your brain. That means listening every day. Listen while walking. Listen while cooking. Listen before sleeping. Do not worry if you understand only 50%. Keep listening. Your brain slowly adapts. At first, English sounds fast and confusing. But after enough listening, You begin recognizing patterns. You begin predicting sentences. You begin understanding automatically. That is how fluency grows. Now, let me tell you about one of the most important secrets to becoming fluent in English. Having a daily practice routine. Many learners practice English only when they feel motivated. One day they study for 3 hours. Then they stop practicing for 1 week. But fluency does not grow through random effort. Fluency grows through consistency. Even small daily practice can create huge improvement over time. Think about exercise. If someone goes to the gym once a month for 5 hours, will they become healthy and strong? Of course not. But if they exercise a little every day, their body slowly becomes stronger. English fluency works the same way. Your brain improves through regular repetition. That is why creating a simple daily routine is very powerful. For example, in the morning, spend 15 or 20 minutes listening to English. Listen to simple conversations, podcasts, or videos. During the day, practice speaking out loud. Talk about your day. Describe what you are doing. Express your thoughts in simple English. In the evening, read English sentences aloud. This improves pronunciation, confidence, and speaking flow. And before sleeping, try thinking in English for a few minutes. Simple habits like these train your brain every single day. You do not need to study perfectly. You only need to practice consistently. Because fluency is not built in one day. It is built daily. Little by little. Sentence by sentence. Day after day. Your English becomes stronger, smoother, and more natural. So do not focus only on studying hard. Focus on practicing every day. The next important factor for English fluency is stopping the habit of memorizing random words without context. Many English learners spend hours trying to memorize long vocabulary lists. 100 words today. 200 words tomorrow. But after a few days, most of those words disappear from memory. Why does this happen? Because the human brain remembers meaning and connection better than isolated information. Learning single words without sentences is like collecting puzzle pieces without knowing the full picture. For example, imagine learning only the word decision. You may remember it for 1 day. Then forget it later. But if you learn it inside real sentences like, I made an important decision. She is thinking carefully before making a decision. Your brain understands how the word is naturally used. And that makes the word easier to remember. This is how fluent speakers learn language naturally. They learn words through conversations, stories, listening, and repetition. Not through memorizing endless vocabulary lists. Also, many words have different meanings depending on the situation. So learning vocabulary inside sentences helps you understand real communication. Instead of trying to memorize difficult words every day, focus on useful daily expressions. Learn phrases like, how are you doing? I am looking forward to it. What do you mean? That sounds interesting. These expressions help you communicate faster and more naturally. Remember this. Fluency does not come from knowing thousands of isolated words. Fluency comes from knowing how to use words naturally in real situations. So from today, do not only collect vocabulary. Learn English through sentences, conversations, and real communication. Now, let me show you one of the most powerful fluency techniques. Shadowing. This method is simple. Listen to a native speaker. And repeat immediately after them. Copy the rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the emotion. Not perfectly. Just imitate. At first, it feels difficult. But after daily practice, Your pronunciation improves naturally. Your speaking becomes smoother. Your confidence grows. You do not need to sound American or British. You only need clear communication. Now let us talk honestly. Why do many people fail to become fluent? Not because they are stupid. Not because English is impossible. Most people fail because they quit too early. They practice for 7 days. Then stop. They study only when they feel motivated. But motivation changes. Discipline matters more. Even when you feel tired. Practice a little. Even when progress feels slow. Continue. One small step every day creates massive change over time. Build confidence for English fluency. Confidence is extremely important in speaking English. Some people know grammar very well, but cannot speak confidently. Why? Because confidence comes from action, not from overthinking. The more you speak, the less fear you feel. The less fear you feel, the more fluent you become. So every day, challenge yourself. Speak longer. Speak louder. Speak more confidently. Remember that English is a skill. Remember this carefully. English is not only knowledge. English is a skill. And skills improve through repetition. Driving is a skill. Swimming is a skill. Speaking English is also a skill. You cannot learn swimming only by reading books. You must enter the water. In the same way, you must enter English daily. Speak daily. Listen daily. Think daily. That is the secret. Let me talk about 30-day challenge. Now I want you to imagine yourself 30 days from now. Imagine speaking English more confidently. Imagine understanding more videos. Imagine expressing your thoughts without fear. That future version of yourself is possible. But only if you begin today. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Today. Because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once felt nervous. The difference is, they continued practicing. So let me leave you with this. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the old version of yourself. Maybe today you speak slowly. That is okay. Maybe today you make mistakes. That is okay. Maybe today you feel shy. That is okay too. Progress matters more than perfection. 1 sentence today. 2 sentences tomorrow. 1 conversation next month. Little by little, you become fluent. Believe in yourself. Your English journey is possible. Your voice matters. And one day, you will speak English confidently without fear. Thank you for watching. And remember, practice every day. Trust the process. And never stop speaking English.